There's a whole bunch of body and styling mods we're going to be upgrading with Lethal Performance custom paint match products today. You want to talk about a complete transformation of a truck? I'll tell you what, all of our Lethal Performance paint match products on this truck have completely changed the look of this truck. It looks amazing now. Forget about all that fugly chrome stuff that we add on here. It's replaced with real nice, high quality paint match products. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King back in the house. We're next door at WBA Performance doing a whole bunch of upgrades to the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. This truck is already making some steam thanks to that Whipple supercharger kit that's on there, as well as it sounds great from those Cook's headers and Corsa Performance exhaust. However, there's a whole bunch of body and styling mods that we're going to be upgrading with Lethal Performance custom paint match products today. So let's go ahead, take a look at them, and go on with the install. All right, so listen, the truck actually looks pretty damn good so far. That IHC lowering kit on there. We've got the Forge Star wheels. However, from the factory, we don't have the STX grill on there. We've got a lot of chrome on here as well. Also, the door handles and the mirror covers, all that black plastic. It's time to upgrade that stuff as, like I mentioned, we offer Lethal Performance paint match products here. We carry all that stuff on the site. So what we're gonna do is swapping out all this chrome crap as well as the black plastic crap with paint match products to this carbonized gray metallic truck to make everything tie in. This truck is going to look so sick for that one lucky winner out there. Remember guys, the giveaway goes on through December 31st, and all you have to do to enter is purchase your products here at Lethal Performance. Head on over. Every dollar that you spend here gains you an entry to winning the truck and $15,000 in cash. Also, we're doing 5 times entries on all Lethal Performance swag right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the pieces that we did here for this truck. We've got obviously the front and rear bumpers for the truck are being replaced with nice carbonized gray metallic paint match products here. We're also doing a tailgate spoiler, roof cab spoiler. We've got those mirror covers as well. As you can see, the rear bumpers over there. We've got a custom paint match STX front grille, front and rear Ford emblems. These things look dope, guys. Look at this. Look at the quality on these things, they're gorgeous. OEM quality, awesome custom paint match finish to it, and it's really gonna set this truck off. And lastly, we've got these door handles to replace the, the black plastic looking ones. This is gonna tie everything together so perfect. I love how this truck looks already. Those regular cab short beds are dope. It's a lot of fun to drive as well. But again, it's time to top it off with the looks department and get this stuff on the truck to make it look even better. that you could tackle this with the help of TJ, of course. I have a lot of faith in you, Chad, right now, at this moment. That might change here shortly.
This brief instance.
Yep.
Right, okay.
So that goes in.
It had something else on the side.
One. And those are those clips. There's no more.
You want to talk about a complete transformation of a truck? I'll tell you what, all of our Lethal Performance paint match products on this truck have completely changed the look of this truck. It looks amazing now. Forget about all that fugly chrome stuff that we had on here. It's replaced with real nice, high quality paint match products. Let's go ahead, take a look around the truck, and I'm going to show you guys all these awesome parts we did to upgrade this and make this thing look stealth and badass. First off, this truck came with chrome bumpers. They had to go. It definitely didn't look good at all. So we did custom paint match carbonized gray metallic on the rear bumper as well as the front bumper. I'll show you that in a second. We also did this tailgate spoiler on here. Definitely give it like a more sporty look to it. Again, paint match completely to the truck. Looks awesome. Look at the blend here. Lots of carbonized gray metallic, those dark tail lights, our custom emblems right here, which looks so sweet. Paint match emblems. This truck looks so good. I don't know if I want to give it away to you guys. I might take it for myself. Well, I'm gonna have to give it away. So what else we got going on here, Joe? We got that roof cab spoiler, again, giving a more sporty, aggressive look to it. Paint match to the carbonized gray metallic. Come on over here. We've got the Lethal Performance door handles, again, paint match. getting rid of that black plastic crappy look, giving it a real nice match to it. I love it. I mean, again, this thing has, from how we started to where it's at now, a complete transformation, and it looks great. Again, I don't know if I want to give it away. We've got the mirror covers as well. These are available at lethalperformance.com. Paint match mirror covers to your truck. Get rid of that plastic look to it. Give it that paint match finish to it. Stealth, 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 like the stealth bomber, looking fire. The fender emblems are still factory, but that's not gonna be for long. Those are off at paint right now. We got something special for you guys, a little custom emblem going in there. Those will also be paint matched. And again, those are available here at lethalperformance.com. That'll be a separate video, but I cannot wait to throw those on there. Again, something special for you guys for that one lucky winner. Now listen guys, if you thought the rear of the truck looked great with all that paint match stuff and the tailgate spoiler and roof cab spoiler, I'm gonna tell you what, the front looks even better. The front end on this completely transformed, looks amazing. This is where most of our paint match products, upgrades that we did to the truck are on here. We've got the STX grille that's been paint matched as well. Really awesome looking, as well as our front emblem there from Ford. Carbonized gray metallic in there with black lettering, looks so sweet. We've also got that front bumper paint match. It used to be chrome, looks so much better now being that paint match finish to it, and it ties everything in really nice along with those smoke Morimoto headlamps as well as the RK Sport carbon fiber front splitter. Everything looks so mint right now. Guys, if you like these products and you're interested in picking them up, head on over to lethalperformance.com. Remember that you get 2-time entries when you purchase any of our paint match products here at Lethal Performance towards winning the truck as well as a $15,000 in cash. All you gotta do is shop with Lethal Performance this holiday season, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all through December 31st. You can get those entries in. So head on over, get those parts, get the accessories, get the swag, the entries for your chance to win the truck and the cash. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. Do it as I would do it. I got the mic. I got the mic right here.
Match fenders and bumper and top. Yeah, I already f***ed up no fenders, bro. Not doing fenders. Take two.
Take two. Ready?
No, I'm out of here.
Come on, bro. No, you don't want to.
You could do a shameless plug.
Yeah. Yeah. You always got to go and like hide though and like scatter like rats and shit. Get back into the shadows and stuff. I can't have you here like this. It don't work like that. I can't do it.
What do you mean it don't work like that?
It don't work like that.
We're not in the lead.
I'm gonna have to do a million different cuts. Yeah. Yeah, please. If you don't mind. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Just I gotta concentrate on my work, you know what I mean? My method acting is me being on my own. Alright? Yeah. Alright.
Get your shit together.
Alright, I'm trying to get my shit together. I totally did that with my Cobra, man, when I changed the oil.
Something.
No, my Cobra. I did an oil change in my garage back early on, I think even before I started Lethal, and I pulled the filter off and forgot that the O-ring gasket was still on there. Put a new one on. I was so happy, did the oil change, and I started it and drove out. Started driving down my block and seeing like a line of oil, and I'm like, are you kidding me? And I left it down my pavers. It was when I first bought the house too. The pavers weren't sealed or nothing like that.
Lucky move.
That's why I don't work on cars. I just sell parts and do stupid stuff on the internet for you guys.
Your GT500 also had a transmission leak.
Yes, the DCT leak. Yeah, and I did that as well. I hit something. Yeah, I definitely hit something. I think it was like a large can or something like that. Maybe a big can of worms for someone fishing or something like that. But
or it was one of your monsters.
I remember I hit it.
Throw away.
Dude, I remember hitting it and the same thing, bro. I just pulled into my you know, community and I saw this line of shit down the whole thing.